In this question, you have to point out what is the main purpose for which bulliform cells are responsible for. Option A, increased photosynthesis in monocots. This is incorrect as bulliform cells do not play a direct role in photosynthesis. Option B, large providing large spaces for storage of sugars. It is also incorrect as bulliform cells are not storage cells. Option C, invert curling of leaves in monocots. Now, in monocots, such as in grasses, certain adaxial epidermal cells along the veins modify themselves into large, empty, colorless cells known as bulliform cells. And when the bulliform cells in the leaves have absorbed water, they become turgid and the leaf surface is exposed. But when the bulliform cells become flaccid due to water stress, they make the leaves curl inwards to minimize water loss. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, protecting the plant from salt stress. It is also incorrect as bulliform cells are not directly involved in salt stress protection.